Umarex SHOT Show 2027 lineup just landed, and it's packed with airguns that punch way above their weight. Here's the full breakdown. Umarex Notos Gen 2. Compact PCPs that run dry after a few mags are common frustration among airgun hunters. The Umarex Notos Gen 2 in 22 pellets solves this, with a beefed-up 7.2 CI tank at 3,625 psi, cranking out over 50 shots per fill. The redesigned side lever pulls smooth as silk, with no fumbling under pressure. In the field, pest control shooters get dime-sized groups at 50 yards firing at 830 FPS. The adjustable trigger and stock allow shooters to dial in comfort, while the built-in suppressor keeps things whisper quiet for backyard sessions without alerting the neighbors. Picatinny rails accommodate optics or bipods, rounding out a versatile rig priced under $400. Similar setups have proven effective for squirrel hunting, where the extra air means less pumping and more popping. Tuning for 18 to 25 grain pellets balances speed and thump, domes for accuracy, hollow points for expansion on varmints. The regulator holds velocities tight, so there are no wild flyers as pressure drops. For shooters new to PCPs or wanting budget power without hassle, this rifle serves as a solid entry point. Bleeding the system after fills keeps seals in good shape, and ambi controls make it lefty-friendly. Paired with a compact pump, the setup becomes fully off-grid ready. Reliability is Umarex solid. After thousands of rounds, it keeps cycling without jams. What sets it apart is the shot count packed into a lightweight frame, making it feel like cheating on longer hunts. For anyone tired of downtime, this rifle keeps the action going. Umarex Outpost 25. Getting stranded mid-hunt with a dead tank is a real risk for backcountry shooters. The Umarex Outpost in 25 pellet solves that with dual fuel tech, switching from PCP at 3,625 psi to NitroAR cartridges for instant reloads. It delivers 38 foot-pounds at 830 FPS, dropping small game like rabbits or squirrels with authority. The folding stock snaps shut with mag storage built into the grip, holding a 13-round rotary secure for quick swaps. Compact and moderator ready with 1/2 20 threads, it's built for bug-out bags. The kit includes a pump and cartridges, so no extra gear hunting is required. At around $400 to $500, it delivers mid-range value that punches above its weight. Hybrid setups like this have proven useful on hikes. Screwing on a NitroAir when supply runs low gets shooters back to blasting without lugging a compressor. Tuning for 25 grain pellets maximizes energy, producing consistent groups even in wind. The adjustable cheekpiece styles in the sight picture, and M-lock rails add lights or bipods without bulk. In the field, it handles rough terrain well, with the magnet fold staying locked. Clean fills help avoid leaks, though the seals are tough enough to handle some abuse. For prepping or travel use, this rifle keeps shots coming when others fail, feeling solid in hand like a trusted tool. Testing on cans at 75 yards shows the power surprises most shooters. Umarex nailed the balance here, lightweight yet potent, with no compromises, a reliable rig built for the long haul. Umarex Complete NCR. A compressor flaking out mid-session is a common annoyance for airgun shooters. The Umarex Complete NCR in 25 pellet solves that with hybrid mastery, seamless swaps between PCP and NitroAir for non-stop action. Filling the tank supports marathon sessions, while threading in a cartridge delivers 25 full power shots at 45 foot-pounds and 900 FPS. The side lever cycles buttery smooth, feeding a 9-round rotary without hiccups. The factory gauge checks pressure with ease, and the folding stock hides mag storage for field convenience. The ergonomic build feels natural, with an adjustable comb for cheek weld. Priced at about $500, it delivers this flexibility without breaking the bank. On squirrel hunts, popping in a NitroAir mid-session eliminates downtime entirely. Stocking up on cartridges pays off, since they last far longer than manual pumping allows. Tuning for 25 to 30 grain pellets keeps the regulator locking in velocities for tight groups even as air pressure dips. MLOK rails accept accessories, and the threaded muzzle is built for a suppressor. Bleeding the system after switches helps protect the seals. For shooters who want uninterrupted fun, this rifle handles travel or prepping duties like a champ. On paper at 50 yards, the energy thumps hard. Umarex quality shines through here, solid, no shortcuts. It suits beginners avoiding complexity and veterans wanting options alike, covering all the bases in a single rifle. Umarex Tusk 357. The Umarex Tusk in 357 pellet/slug tackles coyotes like a centerfire round, but silently. A regulated 35 CI tank at 4,350 psi unleashes 225 foot-pounds, sending slugs out at 1,075 fps. But the side lever is smooth, loading an 8-round rotary that seals tight for efficiency. The laminate stock adjusts for cheek and length, allowing a custom fit. 1/2 20 threads up front accept moderators, and the M18 bottle swaps easily for more air. At $900, it's a premium price justified by big bore punch and a compact frame. On hunts, that thump has dropped medium game clean at 100 yards. Tuning the regulator for ammo, 100 grain slugs for penetration, lighter loads for plinking, shapes performance to the task. Shot count runs 18 to 24 full power rounds, solid for the caliber. High pressure means seals need attention, though the build itself is rugged. Scoped and aimed at dimes far out, the power ruins shooters for small bores. Picatinny rails add optics, and the carbon shroud quiets things down. Checking local regs for hunting matters, though it's considered ethical on pest control. For anyone stepping up from 22, this beast redefines air power. It feels like a firearm, minus the recoil. Umarex crafted a hunter's dream here, portable, potent, and precise. Umarex Airsaber Alpha. Blending archery with airgun tech, the Umarex Airsaber Alpha slings arrows like a modern Robin Hood, but with PCP power behind it. It fires 376 grain arrows at 475 FPS from a 4,500 psi tank, generating 188 foot-pounds of energy, enough to take deer or hogs ethically where legal. The single-shot setup is simple, with patented AccuCore stabilizing the arrow for pinpoint accuracy at 50 to 70 yards. The vented carbon shroud quiets the launch, and arrow holders keep extras handy on the stock. A Picatinny rail mounts bipods or sights, turning it into a steady hunting platform. Shot count runs about 4 full power shots per fill, plenty for most stocks. At around $400, it's accessible for air archery newbies or crossbow fans wanting silence. On range days, the thwack on targets feels primal, with no string noise or recoil. Tuning pressure to the arrows matters. Stock arrows fly true, while custom arrows boost range. Scoped from a tree stand, the power surprises traditional bow hunters. Bleeding the system post fill a void surprises. And checking local hunting regs is worthwhile since this classifies differently than a standard bow. The compact design shines in tight woods, staying lightweight for all-day carries. Umarex upgraded this model from the original with better venting, reducing sound further. For anyone bored of pellets and craving something aerodynamic, this beast redefines quiet hunts. It feels like cheating on game, but stays legal and fun. The build is solid with no frills, just effective air-powered archery that hooks shooters fast. Umarex Airgun Magnum. The itch for a break barrel that punches like a PCP without the hassle is common among airgun shooters. The Umarex Airgun Magnum in 22 pellet delivers with gas piston tech, cranking out 1,100 FPS and 32 foot-pounds for small game drops or target shredding. The 10-round rotary magazine loads easily, and the rifled barrel groups tight with the included 3 to 9 by 40 scope. Cocking effort sits at 45 pounds, manageable for most shooters, with a smooth action that cycles without drama. The ergonomic stock feels solid, with open sights as backup. No air tanks are needed, just cock and shoot for endless backyard fun. Priced under $300, it delivers budget Magnum power without skimping on quality. Hours of plinking prove the thump on cans is addictive, and the multi-shot capability keeps the action flowing. Tuning for 18 to 25 grain pellets shapes performance, domes for precision, hollows for expansion on squirrels. On paper at 40 yards, groups shrink with practice. Breaking it in with 200 rounds smooths the piston, and sparing lube keeps it running long-term. The scope mount stays secure, with no zero loss after repeated shots. For entry-level shooters or anyone wanting no fuss power, this rifle is a go-to option. It feels like a step up from Springers without added complexity. Umarex nailed the balance here, affordable, accurate, and punchy. It's also great for teaching kids safe shooting, thanks to the controlled cocking stroke. What sets it apart is the magazine in a break barrel design, rare and game-changing for fast follow-up shots. For anyone tired of PCP downtime, this rifle stays cocked and loaded. Umarex Stormfire. The Umarex Stormfire unleashes a BB storm like a mini machine gun, but stays air-powered and backyard safe. In 177 BB, it rocks dual 12G Sutu cartridges for full auto fury at 2,020 rounds per minute, cycling through a 400 BB reservoir plus a 25-round mag. Velocity hits 430 FPS, perfect for tin, can Armageddon, or plinking marathons. The wood effect stock adds a classic vibe, with adjustable sights for quick aiming. The cyclic rate is insane, though the selector allows a switch to semi for control. There's no blowback, so gas lasts longer. Dozens of bursts per pair are typical. At about $200, it delivers affordable chaos that hooks groups fast. Setting up targets and going full auto works as therapeutic stress relief. Chilling the CO2 improves consistency, and steel BBs help avoid jams. Cleaning the hopper regularly keeps feeding smooth, and eye protection is a must. The design stays compact, easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Umarex amped the fun factor here. It feels like a Tommy gun toy, but with real zip. For dynamic shooting or party tricks, this rifle is a wild card, turning ranges into battle zones. The solid build handles abuse, with no fragile parts. Full auto airgunning is this accessible, and it's addictive. Paired with bulk BBs, the storm never has to stop. Umarex Ridge Trek. Lever action nostalgia gets a modern air twist in the Umarex Ridge Trek, built for endless plinking. In 177BB, it uses dual 12G CO2 for 650 FPS, holding 120 BBs in the reservoir for marathon sessions. The lever cycles smooth, like a cowboy classic, with an adjustable stock fitting all sizes. Open sights zero quickly, and the 40-inch length balances well for offhand shots. No mags are needed, just pour and pump the lever. Gas efficiency runs high, lasting through hundreds of rounds. Priced around $150, it delivers entry-level fun without breaking the bank. Quick draw challenges on cans reveal surprising speed. Copper-plated BBs reduce fouling, and storing CO2 pierced helps avoid leaks. The build stays rugged, with metal where it counts. Umarex captured Western essence here. It feels authentic, but powered quietly. For teaching basics or casual shoots, this rifle bridges generations. Simple, reliable, and grin-inducing. It's compact enough for truck guns, unfolding quickly when needed. What sets it apart is the high capacity in a lever action design, a rare combo for non-stop action. Tuning sights for windage tightens groups at 25 yards. It's an affordable gateway to air gunning with timeless appeal. For anyone bored of pellets, switching to BBs means trekking the ridges in style. Umarex Legends Thompson M101 drum upgrade. Holding a Thompson submachine gun replica often sparks the thought that it needs more BBs to feel like a true gangster flick prop. The Umarex Legends Thompson M101 drum upgrade answers that, amping the classic blowback BB gun with a massive 450-round drum magazine that wins to feed seamlessly for semi or full auto chaos. Compatible with existing models, it cycles 177 BBs on CO2 without skips, keeping that iconic rat-tat-tat alive. Velocity stays unchanged, but the capacity turns plinking into marathons, with bursts running around 400 FPS based on the base gun. The woodstock and metal builds scream authenticity, and the drum adds the Prohibition-era heft. At about $100 for the upgrade alone, it's a no-brainer add-on for collectors or fun shooters. Switching to full auto shreds targets like a scene out of Untouchables, with laughter all but guaranteed. Steel BBs help avoid fouling, and pairing with dual CO2 extends runs. The selector stays crisp, and the realism is off the charts, with no blowback loss. For fans of historical replicas with modern twists, this drum makes the Thompson unstoppable, feeling like a time travel trip back to the Chicago mob era. Umarex nailed the compatibility here. It drops right in, with no mods needed. What sets it apart is the endless feed, rare for airguns and addictive for group shooting. Cleaning internals regularly keeps it running for the long haul. It's an affordable way to level up any Legends collection, turning props into performers. For anyone whose vibe gets killed by downtime between reloads, this upgrade keeps the spray going. There you have it, the Umarex Airguns from SHOT Show 2027 that could redefine your setup. From hybrids that never quit to big bores that pack a wallop, these picks blend innovation with real-world grit. If one's calling your name, grab it before they're gone. Always check state and local laws before purchasing or hunting with any air rifle, since regulations on calibers, energy levels, and use vary by location. Like this breakdown? Hit that like button and follow Survival Gear Armory for more gear deep dives. What's your top pick or need specs on ammo pairings? Let's chat in the comments.